Hello, this is Patrick, and welcome to another Tesla Cybertruck accessory review video. Today, our friends at Hansshow sent us these cool seat covers. So, if you got a Cybertruck with the white interior, you still have black seats. Where are the white seats? So they sent me a request to do these seats that have black, white, and a cool little green tint on them. I think they look really slick, but all the accents on my truck are red. So I said, how about I could do a review on the white seats, and we can go ahead and showcase these really slick looking green highlighted ones. So you can get either or. They got a couple different options to choose from. I really like the way these ones turned out. And the installation process is actually very simple, but it does take some time. It's very high quality. They're Nappa leather. It looks just like OEM. They look like actual new seats. They don't look like seat covers. That's why it takes some time to put them in. The instructions are very thorough. It's not terribly hard, but like I said, it takes some time to do. So you've got to put all these little hooks on the long straps, and on the short straps, you have these little pucks, and those kind of hold it in place. There is one piece of trim that you can take off that you don't have to if you don't want to, but it does make it easier for the install. It's just underneath the front seats. There's one little screw that allows you to pull off the side trim of the seat that'll allow you to just get all the seat covering underneath there and the straps that you need to tighten everything with. So you just gotta slide on the seat covers on the front seats. It is very tight, so you gotta kind of work it side to side and kind of pull it down. On the back seats, it's similar, and you just gotta kind of tuck everything in, and then when you lift up the seats, you can pull all the straps nice and tight. Don't over tighten them though. I made the mistake of over tightening one, and it broke the buckle, but it was easy enough to fix. These are the little pucks that go in between the seat, the upper and lower seats, and they just kind of hold everything in place. It keeps the seats covers from sliding around. And then there's zippers that kind of tighten everything up on the top seat covers for the front seats. And you can see how when you pull this trim out, you have a little bit easier access because these seat covers wrap all the way around. You can't really tell they're seat covers at all. And then you can put the trim back in and put your screw back in, and they look pretty good. Now, they may have some wrinkles in them from shipping and how they're packaged. They say you can use a heat gun to kind of get these out, but personally, I just let them set, and they seem like they've gone away. I've been using these now for about 3 weeks. They've worked great. My kids have been in there. They've gotten dirt and mud and food all over them, and then they just vacuum right up and clean right off. So I'm pretty impressed with them, and the price is very affordable. If you want to give them a shot and use my code, you'll save some big money. Tesla trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Post any comments you have below, anything more that you want to know about these seat covers, and please like, share, and subscribe. I also do electric vehicle news, primarily Tesla news, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.